Hello, my name is Robert Campbell, and this is my ASP project. It is an IT projects database. So we have a CSS logo up in the upper left corner, a banner, a title, documentation link in the bottom corner. We have our login name and password. So let's just say we don't have anything in there. Hit enter and please enter. So it's a validation error. Let's put the wrong thing in there. So admin something else, and let's hit login. So once you hit the login button, this protected sub here is executed, and the SQL string is selects account from the user login table, where login name equals the login name I put in, and the login password equals the login password I put in. It's going to go through. It's going to set a GUID or pick a GUID randomly, set in the session, and then it's going to try to connect. So let's step through this here. It's going through. It's going to try to connect, or try, and the connection's open. It's going to execute a command, put it to integer, and if it passes, login is good. Fails, the login is bad. So it jumps down to the else because the login is bad. So it equals 0, login bad. So the label, test label, is set to login incorrect. So if we just keep right on going down, it's going to end the sub, and then the page is going to refresh. So the page refreshed, and the label test got set to login incorrect. So let's try it again with the right one, admin and password. Let's hit login. And then the page refreshes to mydataView.aspx. From here, we have our grid view, which shows the data. It's joining the two, customer and projects. We have a drop down where we can select just to view individual customers, or we can do show all. And then we can edit. Let's pick to edit this one. Let's say we can only edit the project, now the customer. That's something that will come later. Let's edit those two. We'll hit update, and as you can see, they are now updated. We can add a new customer or a new project. Let's just add a new project. That means it's a current customer. So let's add one for this one here. We don't need the address of the phone because those are for new customers only. The project, let's just call it test. Hours, let's just say 6 hours. Hit OK. It's going to insert it in there and refresh the page. And as you can see, it has added there. Then we can also delete it. Delete it, and it's gone. And lastly, we have a logout button that's going to get rid of our GUID stored in our session. Back to the login page.